Hi, I'm Monita Najappa from Bangalore. I'm a pediatric surgeon and I have been working in various hospitals and seeing people, seeing babies with such terrible conditions. And it's become a second nature not to show our emotions, to just hide it somewhere. I don't know where. So there is a deep need to express these unprocessed feelings. There is a deep block inside, which keeps telling you do something about it. So I always wanted to know how to write, how to start writing. I mean, there should be a way to string these words and give it a meaning, give it a sense. So I googled for creative writing course and I came across Henry Harvin and the minute I contacted Miss Garima, my life changed. She is extraordinary. She is beyond professionalism. She connects to a person at a very deep level, at a very soul level. You don't feel as though you're a customer or something. You just feel very valued, very heard, very listened to in such a short while. She just connected to me and she said if Monita has to write something in English, so it will be poem. That I get goosebumps even now when I talk of that experience. Like how can one individual who you haven't met can just tell something about you like this? And I have never told her that I write poetry. So, not like I'm a great poet, but here and there I do pen down some emotions. So, I was very scared to join the course. I thought it's a new course and it'll take me a lot of time. It'll need a lot of time and all that. She said, no, it's going to be very interesting and the method, the process will all be discussed and I would really enjoy it. So she kept encouraging me and when I joined and the first class itself with Nada ma'am was another great experience. Mrs. Nada Yunus is uh, is really phenomenal. She's at another level. The way she encouraged us, gave us so much importance, and was such a keen listener. It was very touching. Like each one of us who were there, she involved us and she brought it out of us. That is I think that is a speciality of a good mentor, of a very efficient teacher who does not, who makes herself less and gives more attention to the students, and who brings out the beauty in the way they look at literature and enhance it. And even if we made any mistakes or we were clumsy, she never ever made us feel awkward. She only enhanced us and she gave us a lot of good feedback in a very positive way, which kept our interest in the subject alive. And of course the tools that she showed was mind blowing: the mind map, Canva, the blogs, the vocabulary sites, and even the inspiration to write when you hit a writer's block. I mean, everything is well thought of. So many deep concepts of creative writing were like just compressed in this tiny capsule of few 8 sessions. I hope that I do justice to it, and It was really a breathtaking experience that I could ever write a book. My goodness, I never thought that. And that feeling of being an author was like as if I'm on Mount Everest. It was so beautiful. I hope I get to complete my book and go deep into it and at least do the complete that project. And it was fascinating that overnight you got so much confidence that you felt like overnight you can write a book. So that was the level of confidence we got from this course. And meeting like-minded people also gave me a lot of encouragement and support. And the further programs of internship was also very, very considerate of the Henry Harvin Academy. So we felt like, there is a follow up to this. There is a place where we have learned. Now we can even grow and become better and better in it. And the best thing I liked was every now and then it was stressed upon that writing is more important. Keep that alive, whether people like, don't like, whether you make money, don't make money, your art and skill of writing has to be kept alive. So that was very touching, and I appreciate that a lot. So I look forward to grow in this field of creative writing. I'm ever grateful to Miss Garima and Nada ma'am and the Henry Harvin Academy for this wonderful creative writing course. Thank you so much.